The Nikon Z7 Mark II is an awesome still camera, but it does feel like it's a still camera with a side of video. And by that I mean it has some quirks prohibiting me from buying it and replacing my Nikon Z6 Mark I. Notably, I waited all this time for 4K 60 and they gave it to us. Kind of. You can do 4K 60 internally, still only at 8-bit and no N-Log, meaning you cannot go HDMI out 4K 60. And with my workflow, where I record directly to the computer with a capture card, this means I will not be buying the camera because I want a camera that can do that, like the BGH1, the GH5, the GH5S, the GH5 Mark II, the GH6 that's coming, you get what I mean. So that's the first one. The second part is the HDMI lag itself has not been improved since the Z6 and Z7 Mark I, which is to say it's an unusable amount of lag. If you put your hand in front of it and go like this, your hand will go from top to bottom, and then you will see it pop up on your LCD screen and your external HDMI monitor. It's really frustrating. Maybe some people won't notice it, but for me, it's just an absolute no with video. Which is a shame because this sensor is fantastic, the color science is fantastic, and the still images are absolutely incredible to work with. But yeah, if you're going to actually use this video camera for your professional work as your daily driver, you're probably going to find that HDMI lag and that lack of 4K 60 to be quite annoying.